Very good morning, one and all. Welcome to 7th standard maths class. Regarding the previous class, we have discussed about exercise 1.2, first main, second main, and third main. Today in this class, we are going to discuss about exercise 1.2, last fourth main. Clear? Regarding the fourth main, fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. Now there are four filling the blanks. It is given in the fourth main. Clear? All the five problems, it is based on statements. Statements, nothing but all the five problems, it is completely based on properties. Clear? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity. Clear? Regarding the four properties, they given five filling the blanks. Neatly observe the statement and you have to fill the box. Clear? Again, just I am recalling regarding important properties. That is first one, closure property. Clear? Closure property, nothing but A plus B is equal to C. If you add any two number, the answer is also an integer. That is A plus B is equal to C. And second thing, the second property, that is commutative property. That is A plus B is equal to B plus A. First A, then we add with B, answer, and B plus A, answer, both are same. This is commutative property. Regarding the closure property and commutative property, it is belongs to two number. But regarding the associative property, it is for three number. A plus of B plus C is equal to A plus B of B plus C. If three number given means it is associative property. If two number given means commutative property or closure property. Regarding identification of closure property and commutative property, A plus B is equal to C. Regarding the RHS, two number, LHS, one number. That should be the closure property. Regarding the commutative property, RHS and LHS both also two number. Clear? Now just we can fill the box. The first one, see here. The first one, it is minus 5 plus minus A, two number. Clear? Is equal to again two number. Here A plus B is equal to B plus A. This one minus A minus 5 we have taken as A and minus B we have taken as B. That means it becomes B plus A. It is nothing but commutative property under addition. Therefore, here B plus A, B will be minus A will be minus 5. Therefore, this first fill in the blank answer is minus 5. Clear? Because LHS and RHS both are two numbers, two integers. That's why commutative property. If RHS is two number, LHS is only one integer, that is closure property. Don't confuse regarding the commutative property and closure property regarding the identification. Second one number, one integer. You have to fill second integer is equal to answer is only into one integer. That means A plus B is equal to C. A plus B is equal to C. Otherwise, see here, otherwise we can identify second problem as the additive identity. Additive identity also, listen here, A plus 0 is equal to A. This is the additive identity. A plus 0 is equal to A. If you add with 0, we get the same answer. That means here minus 3. Answer is also minus 3. Then what is the answer? The second problem, it is based on additive identity, that will be 0. That means a plus 0 is equal to a. Second one, it is belongs to additive identity. Now this statement, it is true. Now come to third one. Now come to third one. 17 plus dash is equal to 0. Now the answer is equal to 0. Answer is come to 0. That means a plus b is equal to c. This one. That is nothing but closure property. Clearly it is a closure property. Answer is 0. When answer it will come 0, first one is plus 1 and another one is minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, answer is 0. Same as it is plus 17. Now this answer is minus 17, then answer is equal to 0. Plus minus subtraction, same number, plus 17, another one is minus 17, answer is equal to 0. Clear? The first one it is commutative property, second one additive identity, and third one it is closure property. Next, fourth and fifth one. Next, fourth and fifth one, it is next fourth and fifth problem. Neatly observe the fourth and fifth filling the blanks. We can observe there are three integers. A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. This is associative property under addition. And fifth one also, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. The both fourth and fifth one, it is associative property. It is very simple. See here, 13 a minus 12 b, a plus b. Here also 13 a minus 12, it is b. The answer C is minus 7. Here it is minus 7. Now the fourth one, it is associative property under addition. And same as it is fifth one also, a minus 4, b plus 15, c minus 3. Here a minus 4, b plus 15, c will be minus 3. Now this is the exercise 1.2. Next, after exercise 1.2, regarding the integer, that is the next concept, multiplication of integer. Regarding up to this, we have discussed about addition of integers and subtraction of integer. The next third concept regarding the integer, that is multiplication of integer. After multiplication, division of integer. Regarding this chapter, clear? The third concept regarding this chapter, that is multiplication of integer. Clear? Regarding the, there are three important points regarding the multiplication of integer. Same as it is like that, you have to copy it into your CWR. The first one, regarding the multiplication of a positive and a negative integer. That means one is positive, another one is negative. The one number is positive integer, another one is negative integer. Positive integer nothing but one number is plus, another number is minus. That means multiplication of positive, another one is negative integer. Listen here, one example. Here minus 2, it is a one negative integer. Plus 5, it is a positive integer. Regarding the multiplication of positive and a negative integer, regarding the multiplication, first you have to multiply the symbols. Clear? First you have to multiply the symbols. You already know that regarding the multiplication, plus into plus, that is plus. It is very basic. Clear? Plus into plus, it is plus. Minus into minus, it is plus. Both are like symbol. The answer is plus. Both are like symbol. Answer is plus. Plus into plus, plus. Minus into minus, answer is plus. Plus into minus, answer is minus. Minus into plus, answer is minus. This is the multiplication signs. Now it is the multiplication sign. Understood? We already discussed about addition and subtraction symbols. Like that, it is multiplication. Same symbols multiplied means answer is plus. Different symbol multiplied means answer is minus. That means minus into plus, answer is minus. See, minus into plus, answer is minus. 5 2s are 10. Clear? 5 2s are 10. Regarding the second example, it is plus, another one is minus. Plus into minus, answer is minus. 9 2s are 18. Plus into minus, answer is minus. One integer is positive and second integer is negative. Answer, it is always negative integer. It is the first point you have to remember regarding the multiplication. Second point, multiplication of a two negative integer. That means the two integer, it is negative. Two integer negative means minus into minus. Answer, it is always positive. Answer, it is always positive. See here, minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. Minus into minus plus 10 12s are 120. 10 12s are 120. That means if two negative integer multiplied means answer is positive integer. Clear? Answer is positive integer. If one is negative, another one is positive, answer is negative. See, this is the two. One is positive integer, second one is negative integer, answer is negative. One is negative integer, second one is positive integer, answer is also negative integer. If two integer is negative, answer is plus. And third one, the product of 3 or more negative integer. 3 or more, 3 in the jasti, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like that. Negative integer, only negative integer. Minus minus minus, answer is minus. Minus minus minus, answer is minus. One thing, I will give one simple trick that you have to remember regarding the solving the multiplication problem. It is in the higher class also, it will come. Clear? See here, for 3 integers, 3 number is given. All the 3 number, it is negative. Minus into minus, that is plus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, answer is minus. Multiply means 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Same as it is here. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, answer is minus. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. That means 3 negative integer comes means answer is negative. What about 4 negative integer? 4, 1, 2, 3. 4 negative integer comes means minus into minus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into plus, answer is plus. For 4 negative integer. 5 negative integer comes means 5. 5 negative integer comes means minus into minus, plus, minus into minus, plus, again extra minus, plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, answer is negative. Understood? One thing you have to remember, for odd negative integer, regarding the multiplication of odd negative integer, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, like that, odd negative integer comes means answer is always negative. This is your clue. Clear? Answer is always negative. If even integer comes means nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 22, etc. Like that, even integer comes, even negative integer comes means answer, it is always positive integer. Clear? This is the three important point regarding the multiplication of integer. Next we are going to discuss about properties. Next, properties of multiplication of integers. Same as it is, we already discussed about properties of addition and subtraction of integers in the previous class. What are the properties? It is comes in the addition and subtraction. The same property it comes for multiplication. The first property same closure property, and second property that is commutative property. You already know that closure property for addition a plus b is equal to c. Plus means addition. Same as it is a into b is equal to c. It is the closure property under multiplication. Again closure property, the symbol you already know that for all a comma b belongs to z. Z means symbolic representation of integer. Then a into b multiply the two integer. The answer it is also integer. That means a into b is equal to c. The c it is belongs to integer. See the example here. Minus 20 it is example for integer. Minus 5 it is also example for integer. Minus into minus answer is plus. 25 is 100. That means a into b is equal to c. The closure property it satisfies under multiplication. Same as it is here, plus into minus answer is minus. 4 3s are 12. Clear? Multiplication we are using the multiplication symbol. For addition a plus b is equal to c. For subtraction a minus b is equal to c. Just changing the symbol, automatically it is the properties under the multiplication. And same like the commutative property. You already know the commutative property for addition a plus b is equal to b plus a. Correct? Here also a into b is equal to b into a. Answer LHS is equal to RHS. Birthday, you can check it out here. Clear? Two example. Now see here, minus into minus answer is plus. 15 tens are 150 is equal to minus into minus answer is plus. 10 15s are again answer is 150. Therefore plus 150 it is belongs to z. That means commutative property it satisfies under multiplication. But commutative property not satisfies for subtraction. Commutative property it satisfies for addition and multiplication. It not satisfies for subtraction and also it not satisfies for division. See the second example. Plus into minus 3 4s are 12 is equal to minus into plus minus 4 3s are 12 minus 12 same. Therefore minus 12 it is a integer. That means the commutative property it satisfies under multiplication. Is the same property. A into b is equal to c. A into b is equal to b into c. Next we are moving on third property. Next, third and fourth properties regarding the multiplication of integer. Now third property, that is multiplication by 0. You already know that regarding the multiplication by 0, multiply any number with 0. 1 into 0 answer is 0. 2 into 0 answer is 0. 5 into 0 answer is 0. 10 into 0 answer is 0. Minus 20 into 0 answer is 0. Minus 30 into 0 answer is 0. Minus 50 into 0 answer is 0. Nothing but any number which multiplied by 0 answer is 0. That is nothing but multiplication by 0. This is the property. See here, for all a comma 0 belongs to z, because a is any number that we have taken 0 belongs to integer, then a into 0 or 0 into a. Clear? First a in 0 and multiply ಮಾಡಿ, otherwise you can multiply 0 into a, the final answer it is always 0. This is the multiplication by 0. See the example, minus 3 into 0. Clear? Any number, it is positive integer or negative integer, it is multiplied by 0, answer is 0. Again 0 into minus 6, answer is 0. This is the multiplication by 0. And same as it is the fourth property, that is multiplicative identity. This is nothing but additive identity and multiplicative identity, both are same. Regarding the multiplicative identity, a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a, his answer is a. That means regarding the addition, if you add any number with 0, clear? If you add any number with 0, answer is same. But regarding the multiplication, if you multiply any number with 1, if you multiplied any number with 1, answer is same. Clear? Regarding the 1 is the multiplicative identity and 0 is the additive identity. Like the here a comma 1 belongs to z, a into 1 or 1 into a, answer it is always a. Clear? If you multiplied any number with 0, answer is 0. If you multiplied any number with 1, answer it is always same number. Examples here, 18 into 1, 18 ones, the answer is 18. Next, 7 into 1, answer is 7. Answer it is 7. This is the third and fourth property regarding the multiplication by 0 and multiplicative identity. Again, there are two properties left. One is associative property and last one, that is distributive property. Next we are moving on fifth property, that is associative property. Associative property. Next, fifth property, that is associative property under multiplication. This kind of associative property same as it is like addition. Clear? Regarding the addition also, a plus of b plus c is equal to a plus b of plus c. This kind of associative property for three integer. Regarding the multiplication also, a comma b comma c belongs to z. That means a into of b plus c, b into c is equal to a into b of into c. Clear? Regarding the associative property, we have to multiply the second integer and the third integer, then answer it is multiplied by first integer. Here first integer and second integer multiplied, answer it is multiplied by third integer. If RHS is equal to LHS, both are same, that means associative property, it satisfies under multiplication. Now one example see here, a minus 3, b minus 2 and c 5. This three number it is belongs to integer, then apply the associative property, that is a nothing but minus 3 into b nothing but minus 2 into 5 is equal to, clear, is equal to here a nothing but, see here a nothing but minus 3, a nothing but minus 3 into b, again it is minus 2 of into 5. Now just apply the associative property, value of a is minus 3, b is minus 2 and c will be minus 5. Open the bracket, nothing but first b into c. In that side a into b. First a down as it is into. Clear? Plus into minus. Answer is minus. Okay, when minus comes means use bracket. Clear? 5 2s are 10. Finish. Here, open the bracket. That is minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 plus, okay, the minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 into 5. Nothing written means it is symbolically it is plus. Next here, minus into minus plus 10 3s are 3 10s are 30 is equal to 6 5s are plus into plus plus 6 5s are 30. It is belongs to Z. LHS is equal to RHS. That means it satisfies associative property. It satisfies under multiplication. That is A into of B into C is equal to A into B of into C. This is the associative property under multiplication. Like that, neatly you have to copy into CW. Now, pade helala board ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನೋ you have to neatly copy to CW. ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. This one don't want in the CW. Okay na? Next, last property. Next, the last property regarding the properties of multiplication, that is distributive property. This is the one special property. It is for only multiplication. Clear? Regarding the distributive property also, same as it is like a associative property, it is also for 3 integers. A, B, C belongs to Z. Regarding the distributive property, it comes for both addition and multiplication symbol. That's why distributive property under multiplication over addition. Clear? That means it comes for both addition and also multiplication. See here, A into of B plus C. Now this is the multiplication, so this is the addition and this one is the multiplication. That means A into of B plus C. Just multiply A into B. See here, A into B plus is there, put plus, again A into C. A into C. This is the distributive property under multiplication over addition. Both. See here, B plus C. Opening the bracket, it is A into B. Clear? Again A into C. This is the distributive property. If LHS is equal to RHS, automatically distributive property it satisfies under multiplication over addition. We have taken 3 numbers. A is 4, B is 5 and C will be 2. Now apply the formula, that is then A will be 4 into B will be 5 plus C will be 2 is equal to A is 4 into B is 5 plus A is 4 into C will be 2. Just apply the value of A is 4, value of B is 5, value of C is 2. Next thing, 4 into, open the bracket, there is a plus, addition, plus means addition, 5 plus 2, it is 7. Now multiplication, 5 4s are 4 5s are, that is 20 plus 4 2s are, that is 8. Clear? Next step, 4 7s are, that is 28. 20 plus 8, again it is 28. LHS is equal to RHS. Now 28, it is belongs to integer. That means this kind of distributive property, it satisfies under multiplication over addition. Now these are the 6 properties regarding the multiplication. Okay, today in this class we have completely discussed about the properties of multiplication. In the next class we are going to discuss about exercise 1.3. Thank you one and all.